Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can register or enroll into an online banking account of Scotia. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. So first thing, while you're trying to register into an online banking account, so make sure that you already have a bank account. Only then you'll be able to register or enroll into an online banking account. So then let's get started. In order to register into an online banking account, first thing you need to do is visit the link that is intl.scotiabank.com, and you will also be able to find the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and this is what the interface is going to look like. So in order to enroll or register into an online banking account of Scotia, so then you need to click on the option that is new to Scotia Online. After you click on the link, you'll be directed to this kind of interface, and right on this page all the information are included regarding the bank. So in order to enroll into an online banking account, click on activate now in the top right. Now you'll be directed to the enrollment page. So first thing you need to do is select your account type. So just click on the arrow in order to expand, and you can see there are a list of options. As I've already mentioned before, that in case if you don't have a bank account, then you'll not be able to register. So here you need to provide the information regarding your Scotia bank account. On the next interface, you need to enter your contact information. Once you provide your contact information, you need to verify your account. So in order to verify, a confirmation email or the verification code or a link will be sent through an email or your SMS, and you need to type in or you need to tap on the link, and after that you've successfully verified your account. So once you're done verifying your account, next thing you need to do is create a login information. You'll be asked to create a username and a password. Once you're done setting up your username and password, once again there will be a confirmation, so make sure to go through it, and after that you need to double check the information or the login details, and once you've submitted, and after that you've successfully registered or enrolled into an online banking account of Scotia. So that is how you can register into an online banking account of Scotia. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.